Okay, so today we're going to be working on the subtraction standard algorithm. It's very similar to what we did with addition the other day, except now we're going to be subtracting. So you can see the problem set up. We have 352 and we're taking 133 away. Very important to make sure to line up each place value. So my ones are lined up, my tens are lined up, and my hundreds are lined up. When we do a standard algorithm, whether it's addition or subtraction, we start with the place the furthest to the right. In this case, it's our ones place. Now, can I take 3 away from 2? 1, 2, nope, there's not enough there. Okay, so now what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go next door to my tens place and take 1 10 away. Now, I have to make sure to record that so that that does not cause me to make a mistake later. And I always circle anything that I regroup. It's just easier for me to see. Now when I go back to the ones place, I had 2 ones to start with. When I bring a 10 over, a 10 is worth 10 ones. So now I have to add the 2 together. 10 plus 2 is going to equal 12. Again, I circle that so it's easy for me to see. And now I'm going to take the 3 away. 1, 2, 3, which leaves me with 9 ones. Okay, now we're going to go to the tens place. Can I take 3 away from 4? 1, 2, 3. Yep, I sure can, so I have 1 left. And now to the hundreds place. Can I take 1 away from 3? Yep, and I have 2 remaining. So 352 minus 133 equals 219.